what a web service is. In the vast world of the internet sea, devices talk as friendly as can be. But how do apps and systems unite through web services? Out of sight, a web service is like a messenger true. It takes a request and brings data to you. It sits on a server, quiet and neat, responding to clients, fast and discreet. When your app says, "What's the news today?" it calls a service far away. That service finds the data you seek and sends it back within a streak. It works on a T2P, the common ground, where requests and responses go around. Formats like JSON, easy to read, or XML, both do the deed. Web services break all barriers down across cities or across town, different languages. No dismay, Java talks to net anyway. There are two main styles you need to know: SOAP and REST, and how they flow. SOAP is formal, full of rules, used in banks and enterprise tools. It wraps each message in strict disguise, secure and structured and enterprise-wise. REST is simple, light and quick. It uses URLs and does the trick. Get for fetch, post to send, delete and put. It's a modern trend. You see it in apps from food to flight, streaming music, booking night, maps, weather, shopping carts. They all use services behind the parts. It's platform free like a universal key. Mac or Windows, it's all the same to me. A phone, a laptop, or even a car. Web services reach wherever you are. They can be secured with tokens and keys, encrypted channels, APIs with ease. And just like magic, they know what to do, delivering data right to you. So next time you scroll or click or tap, know there's a service running that map. Behind each app, behind each click, web services make the system tick. Invisible helpers on the World Wide Web, talking in code so smoothly and ebbed. They never sleep, they always serve. Web services, the internet's nerve. What a dash.